So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so now we're gonna look at a Uber driver who basically made over $3,000 in 1 week in New York.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so this one, 2 grand, but then look at his cash out, 3 grand in 1 week.
That's crazy.
So we're gonna look at this post from V Konech. Oh, he's a creator. Maybe we could collab with him. He has 9,000 followers.
Oh, wow.
He's kind of clouded up.
Yeah.
But yeah, you wanna take a look at this?
Yeah, it looks like he took Friday off, basically, but was online for 53 and a half hours. And so where does the extra, like, 1,000...
Tips, maybe?
Okay. Oh, wow, he got 116 in tips.
That's pretty good.
And he made 1,900. And then...
Maybe it's only 2K. I don't know where that balance came from.
Maybe
maybe it's a bonus.
Oh, you think so?
Maybe a Uber bonus.
A $1,300 bonus?
Sign up bonus.
Oh.
Maybe. Well, it only have to be 12.
Or it's combined from like the week before.
$1,200 and 32 bucks, about $31. $1,200, 30 bucks, $1,230. Sign up bonus. Sometimes they do $1,200 sign up bonuses, especially like New York, because it's in New York, so it's New York City.
Yeah.
Sometimes the sign up bonuses for New York City are like super high because they're still
drivers.
Yeah, and they're competing with taxi laws and stuff.
Yeah.
And if you're a New York driver, you have to get a commercial license no matter what type of driver you are. It's like super strict. You're basically a taxi driver, but you're for Uber.
Oh, wow.
It's like it's really strict. And I think that the document you need is like $1,000 for New York.
Oh.
Maybe they paid for it? I don't know. Either way, he made $3,000 in a week.
That's crazy.
In 53 hours. So and somebody said Uber Black.
Oh, that's a good question.
Look at that one.
Let's see the replies.
These are the comments.
New York City. I know it's not. Oh. It would be. Okay.
No Uber Black. Uber XL. Oh, Uber Pets as well.
Oh, and Comfort.
I didn't even realize they have Uber Pets.
Yeah, we went over this in the last live stream.
Oh, we did? You transport pets?
Yeah.
Or you walk their dog or what?
No, like it allows pets, because usually they only allow service animals.
Oh, yeah. I've denied some people with dogs before.
Yeah, makes sense. You don't want a bunch of like dog fur in your car, and then you have to pick up another passenger after, and then let's say they're like allergic to dogs or something.
Yeah, I'm allergic to dogs.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That sucks.
And cats.
Oh.
So yeah, that's how you do it, guys, is you gotta go to New York or go to a big city like Boston or LA or Miami.
And do like Uber XL.
Yeah, because you know why? If you go to Miami and do Uber XL, you get a lot of big rides, and they pay like twice as much.
Yeah.
Yeah.